सेकंड है भारत के पूर्व भाग में नीली नदी के किनारे एक गांव अपनी हरियाली के लिए दूर दूर तक जाना जाता है. So Bharat means what? Bharat is India. So in India, our olden days, we have a lot of water source like rivers. So Nadi means river. Bharat means India. Purva Bhag means in olden days. Nadi means river. See the spelling here. Nadi means river. So in that river we have a lot of villages. Gav means what, child? Village. So I will ask the meaning, child. Just carefully listen. So already I said Bharat. Bharat means India. Nadi means river. Gav means village, right? Hariyali. Hariyali means greenery. See here. Ha. Ri. Ya. Wait. Student, please don't touch anything, child. Yes. Please don't touch anything in your screen, child. It will disturb the class. See here. Hariyali. Hariyali means greenery. Ha. Ri. Ya. Li. Hariyali. Hariyali means greenery. So dur tak means dur means far away. So in our India we have a lot of water source like rivers. In the bank of the river, kinare means what, child? Bank of, yes. So listen everyone, if anyone doing any mischief, I will, yes, good morning, child. So somebody is touching your screen and giving the share the screen. If anyone doing again, I will check you and I will scold you again. Don't touch anything in your screen. So as I said, Bharat means India. Nadi means river. Gav means village. Hariyali means greenery. Dur tak means far away. So we are going to see about one village. That village was very greenery. Because of the greenery, it will know about all the peoples. Like everyone know Ooty, right? Because the place is very cold. Like that, this village is very greenery. So this is the speciality of this village. So Gav means what, child? Village. Hariyali, already I said greenery. की वजह से लोग यहाँ ताजी हवा, ताजी means pure. See here, child. Taji means what, child? Pure. Hawa means air. Hawa means what, child? Air. So taji hawa means pure air. If your place is full of what, plants and with the lot of nature, what will happen? You will breathe the very pure air only, because plants will take the carbon dioxide in air and taking the carbon dioxide and giving the oxygen. Oxygen is very pure for human being. So it takes bad gas and it give good gas for us. So Taji Hawa means what, child? Pure air. Saas means breathe. So saas means what, child? Breathe. So one more time. I am going to explain the first 3 lines, child. भारत की पूर्व भाग्य में नीली नदी. नीली means blue. So once upon a time in our India there is a one beautiful greenery village. That village will know everyone because of the pure air. Taji Hawa means pure air, and also Subha se Sham. Subha means morning, Sham means evening. Subha means what, child? Morning, and Sham means evening. तक इस गांव में पक्षियों. पक्षियों means birds. की चहचहाट. चहचहाट means that sound of the birds. And patiyong. Patiyong means that leaves. So charcharahat means sound of the leaf. So when the air will come, the fast air will come, the leaves also give the sound. और पास की नदी से कलकल. कलकल means sound of flowing the water. See here, nadi means river, right? So in that river the water will flow fastly. What will come? The sound will come, right? So when you visit the rivers or any places which the water is very, so like oceans, you will go the beach, right? The water will give the sound, right? The sound of the water is kalkal. Ki आवाज. आवाज means sound. आवाज means what, child? SOUND, sound. आवाज. आवाज means sound. So here they given आवाजें. आवाजें is a plural, sounds. So like that sounds will come. So in our surrounding, our home, so what are the things you will hear? You will hear the vehicle sound. You will use the TV, that sound. And your home, whatever things you will take and you will replace, that sound only will come. But in that village specifically, they only hear the bird sound and the leaf sound and also the sound of the flowing water in the river. इसलिए इस गाँव. इसलिए means because of that only they give the name Odpur. So they named the village as Odpur. So what is the village name, child? Anyone can answer, child? What is the village name? What is the village name, child? So are you hearing me? No, I want the village name. I only want the village name, child. What is the village name? India is our country name, child. Yes. So listen, India is our country name. In our country we have a small village. So like Tamil Nadu is our state, but we are in any name like Karnanagar, right? Like that. Here also Odpur is one of the village. Odpur is one of the village in our India. Okay, child? So we are going to see about Odpur. See the next line. दूसरे गांवों के लोग भी अपने गांव को ओटपुर की तरह बनाना चाहते थे. So if you are having a good habit, what your friend will do? He is also following the same thing, right? like that whatever the things doing in the Odpur, the people copy the Odpur people and they are also want to make their village very good. So what others are doing? They are copying the Odpur peoples because they want the good name of their villages. So what the other villages are doing? They are following the Odpur peoples. What they are doing, child? They are following the Odpur people. And see the next line. जो भी इस गांव में आता वो भी यहाँ बसना चाहता था. So whoever comes to the village, they will love the village and they will stay there. So if you are going to, yes, child, is there any doubt? Who's this child? Who is having a problem? Samrita, you are having some problem? Wait, one more time I give this, share the screen, child. So now it is visible, child. I will share this video, child. Okay. Now listen, child. So you check your book, child. I am going to tell the second paragraph. So whoever comes to the village, they want to be in the village. So because they are like the village so much. See the next paragraph, second paragraph, finger on the first word. Dharti. Dharti means earth. Dharti means what, child? Dharti. Dharti means we can say land, also earth. There is two meanings for Dharti. So Dharti means what, child? Earth. Ma'am, land also come. Yes, ma'am. There is two meanings, ma'am. Dharti means land and also earth. So here they meaning the earth because they are giving Dharti ma. Ma means mother, right? Yes. Dharti ma. So we use here earth. Yes. So earth means our whole world, right? So we have the Indian mother, like we have the they are telling our world mother means like Bharat Mata, right? Bharat Mata means Indian mother, right? So like that they are telling the world's mother ने इस गाँव को yes खूबसूरत. खूबसूरत means beautiful. खूबसूरत means what, child? Very beautiful, not beautiful, not just beautiful, it is very beautiful. So when you are in your Diwali, you will wear the dresses, right? How you will look like the new dresses? In that new dress you will look very beautiful, right? So very beautiful means khoobsurat. So how you will look like in the Diwali? You will look khoobsurat. Khoobsurat means what, child? Very beautiful, right? Yes, very beautiful. Yes, khoobsurat. See, pronounce it, child. Please mute and pronounce it. Khoobsurat. Khoobsurat means very beautiful. Vardhan Diya. So who is creating this world? Mother only creating this world, right? So what they are telling? That world mother is creating the world very beautiful. How they are creating the world? They are creating the world very beautiful. Yes, child, is there any doubt? यहाँ की लोग. So listen here, child. So we are already seeing the word log. Log means what, child? People. Log means what? This word will come again and again. So listen this carefully. Log. Log means people. So यहाँ की लोग, yes, यहाँ के बच्चे भी उस सुंदरता को बनाया रखना के लिए हमेशा कोशिश करते रहते थे. See here, child. So as the peoples are doing lot of things for the village, so in that village children's also there, right? So they are also want the village too beautiful. So what they are doing, they give the support them, support the peoples. Cautious means they are also trying. So what they are trying, they are also trying to make the village beautiful. So cautious means what, child? Try. So cautious means what? So I want the answer, child. Cautious means what? Try. Yes, very good. So when you are playing in your home, yes. So when you are playing in your home, your friend win, what you will do? You will try to win the game, right? Like that? Yes, you will try. That time you will try to be the winner, right? So trying is what? Cautious. Yes, trying is what, child? Cautious. Cautious means trying. See the next one. यही कारण था कि चारों ओर. See here, char means what? So everyone know, I don't want to explain. Char means what? Just remember, char. Others please put mute. Others please put mute. Yes. What, child? Or means no. Char. What is char, child? Yes, very good. Char means 4. So when we are finding our map, how you will find the map? So this is our this thing, right? Our map, right? How you will calculate? How you will calculate, child? So you will count by the directions, right? We have 4 directions, right? North, south, east, west. So charong or means, yes, child? Yes, direction, child. Thank you. So charong or means 4 direction. So because of this reason, because of the childrens also want the village to beautiful, and the peoples are also trying to make the village beautiful. Because of the thing, the all over the India, the 4 sides of the India will know the place which is Odpur, and the Odpur is very beautiful. See here, Anar. Anar means, Anar we already read, child, in the last year itself. Anar. Very good, child, very good. Anar means pomegranate. Kathal means jackfruit. Yes. Kathal means what, child? Jackfruit. Nariyal means coconut. Yes. Kathal means jackfruit and nariyal means coconut. So like that, in the Odpur they have lot of ped. Ped means tree. Ped means what, child? Yes. Nariyal means coconut. Ped means what? Tree. Very good, child. So in that place, in that village, there is a lot of, yes, there is a lot of trees are there. They are mentioning 3 things. One is pomegranate tree and jackfruit tree and also coconut tree. So what are all the trees in that village? Pomegranate, jackfruit and coconut. Yes, very good child. So yes, just listen this video child. So this is our India, right? So Odpur is in that small dot. Just check that video. So they are telling, right, the bank of the river, there is one village, right? See here, this is the bank of the river. So this is the river, this is the bank of the river. So they having me small things, right? Like, see here, they are telling the coconut tree. This is coconut tree, and this is the few houses are there. This is look like a village, right? Yes or no? So this is the Odpur village, which is in our India. See, this is our India. In India, see here, this is, I already said Neeli Nadi, right? Neeli Nadi means there is a blue color line there, no? That is the river. In that river, so this is the village. See, this is the river which is blue, and this is the village with the few what? Full of greenery, right? See the background, right? So this is full of green with the few houses with the coconut tree also. So we saw that Nariyal, right? Nariyal means coconut, right? So as they said, Nariyal means coconut. See here the picture. The place is full of green with the bank of the river with few houses. See here, when we are standing in the place, see this place full of green, right? So because of the full green with the trees, they are breathing the Tazi Hawa. Tazi Hawa means pure air. Yes, it will stuck because of the video, child. Just check the video. Listen, children, I am not at speak. Listen, I am not at speak, child. Just wait. Yes, I can hear, child. See here. See here, the small children's also planting the tree, right? The picture itself they are given, right? Now it is audible, child. Listen, now it is audible. Yes. See, the small children also planting the tree. Yes, video will structure. I want to show the pictures only. Just listen. So as we said, anar means pomegranate, right? See that in that village there is a lot of pomegranate tree. This is the jackfruit tree. So as I already showed the coconut tree also. So in that village there is lot of pomegranate tree and jackfruit tree, and also see this is aam. Aam means mango, right? So here that mango tree also there, and seb means apple. So there is a lot of trees in that village. Up to this we saw today. We will continue this session next tomorrow. Just wait, I will take the attendance after you will leave. Don't leave, child. I'm taking the attendance. Just wait. Vishnu. So listen everyone, how was your today's class? Are you enjoying? Just whenever you, yes, whenever you have a time, just revise the things, child. Yes, just revise the things. Very good, child. Are you enjoying? I am also happy. So say Dhanyavad ji and you can leave.